In 1498, Vasco da Gama of Portugal reached India. In 1620, the Dutch began to control areas of Indonesia. In 1770, Captain Cook claimed the east coast of Australia for England.